winter doesn't ask, it takes over. Icy roads, sudden slides, and unpredictable moments turn simple drives into something entirely different. Watch how fast conditions shift and how drivers react when the road stops playing fair. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Every Audi comes with the Quattro system, not just the SUVs like the Q5 or Q7, even the performance models like the R8. Do you think these drivers forgot to install winter tires? Everyone's sliding. Some are even turning back. Respect to this sedan, strong enough to deliver the mail faster than expected. This is extremely dangerous. Luckily, there were no cars passing by at that moment. How would you react if something like that came charging straight towards you? Be honest, tell us in the comments. On this day, God clearly decided no one was going to use this road, despite some brave attempts. Check out this Audi A4 all-road, and look at the beast behind it. Do you think every car could handle that?
Отъезжай. Ну туда вон отъезжай.
This driver witnessed a scene straight out of a movie. A truck stalled in the freezing cold right in the middle of the train tracks. There was an impact, but no real damage. An unbelievable situation. Schools usually close during snowstorms, so I'm not sure what this school bus is doing out here.
That bus did not have no...
that are dry right now, because they don't get out of here within a few hours. Usually when we get these...
What could have happened here? Looks like abandoned cars. Maybe yesterday's storm is to blame. Even with an SUV and proper winter tires, sometimes things still go wrong. It's all about control here. Look at the wheels, they're still turning. The driver didn't hit the brakes. Crossing frozen lakes is extremely dangerous. These drivers escaped their vehicle just in time. That's what saved their lives. The Audi e-tron Sportback is out here playing in the snow, stretching its legs. Totally at home in this weather.
Me, dude. Jesus.
This driver burned through all his luck in one shot. That's why winter driving needs to be slow and calm. And hey, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos. I don't see how anyone can go up or down this road without trouble. Everyone tries, everyone fails. Better find another way. Do you think insurance companies love winter or hate it? With accidents every day, they sure spend the rest of the year making the money back from us. You think every car can do this? Audi is still the benchmark for winter thanks to its Quattro system.
Go sideways, go sideways.
Careful up ahead. This driver is being yelled at to turn. Do you think that's the right way to stop a car?
Oh, yes, keep going. Oh, and you gotta spin all the way around. That's how you turn left right there. That's how
Even the little Audi A3 can tow a massive truck. Quattro does the job. Japanese cars paired with good winter tires get the job done, like this Subaru Impreza, pulling out a massive semi-truck. Audi was made for snow, period. I've seen A6s and A7s towing huge trucks and helping everyone out. While everyone else is struggling, this Audi RS6 Avant is having fun. You could say this driver is an artist, and definitely persistent, but I'm pretty sure the tires are the real problem here. What do you think? I'm not sure if tanks in World War II Russia dealt with problems like these. The soldiers probably didn't have shovels either. What's the point of owning an Audi if you don't know how to use it?
another day at Valet here in Tahoe.
You could say this truck is lucky, and here's why. It didn't fall into the ravine. This right here shows the biggest mistake people make. They slam the brakes and lock the wheels. Never do that. Towing is part of daily life for truckers in the north. Not a single day goes by without a recovery call. This is exactly why you should always keep a safe distance, especially when it's snowing. Winter driving demands caution.
He saved it, dude. He saved it. Right the oh my god.
This is what zero visibility looks like. See that accident in the distance? Let's zoom in. This is why slow driving is essential in snowy weather, and this woman is lucky. A whole group came to help her. Drive carefully. Taking a taxi in conditions like this, good luck making it to your appointment on time. What speed do you think this driver is going at? Having an SUV and winter tires doesn't mean you can go anywhere. When the ice turns into glass, nothing gets traction.
Go to far right.
Most northern trucking routes are actually frozen lakes, and sometimes the ice gives way. Have you ever witnessed something like this? Always keep a good distance between vehicles. Even airplanes struggle on icy runways. Should someone give them traction tips too? No winter tires and snow everywhere. You're not going far. Better park the car and head home. You made it all the way. Respect. If you want more wild winter road moments, feel free to subscribe and check out the next episodes waiting for you. And until the next one, stay safe out there.